You will love the features of this 2023 Land Rover Discovery. Explore your world in the confidence and comfort that can only come with this superior Discovery. An unmatched blend of posh style and go-anywhere capability places this impressive SUV at the pinnacle of its class. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, power liftgate, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, fog lamps, premium sound system. This exclusive Discovery is your opportunity to enjoy the luxury and capability you've always wanted. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.